Hello friends, in our previous video we learnt what is factorization. Today we will do the factorization by using the algebraic identities. Here are the three main algebraic identities. First one, a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square. Second, a square minus 2ab plus b square is equal to a minus b whole square. And the third, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. We will learn to do the sums based on these identities. The first one is p square minus 10p plus 25. Here, first of all, we have to find which identity is applicable. The terms in the question are 3. So, the third identity is not there. Now we check the middle term. It is having the sign minus. So, from these two, we will take the second identity, right? It is the identity which will give us the required factors. What we have to do is compare the given question with the left hand side of identity. Like p square is, we have to write it like this, and it is the first term compared. P is a. Then we have to find the other term having square, and it is here 25. We will write it as 5 square. 5 square is 25. And we are now having first a and then b. And the middle term is 2ab with negative sign. Negative is already there. 2ab. What? A is p. B is 5. When we multiply 2 into p into 5, it is 5 2s are 10 p, and middle term is already there. Next one is plus sign. So friends, we are able to make the left hand side a square minus 2ab plus b square. It means we can write the factors like this. Instead of this complete term, we will write the right hand side as a means p, minus b means minus 5 square. We can also write it as 2 times p minus 5, p minus 5. Therefore, we have converted the addition and subtraction terms into the multiplication term. These are the required factors. Let us see one more example. It is 49y square plus 84yz plus 36z square. Again 3 terms are there. It means third identity is not there. And addition sign tells that it is the question of first identity. We have to find the a and b, means square terms are there. We will write a and b. It is plus 49 is 7 square and y square, y here and square common. This is our a. Similarly, 36 is the square of 6. And in place of z square, one z is here and square is common. Therefore, this is our b. Got it? So, we are having 7y as a and 6z as b. The middle term is, according to identity, 2ab plus 2ab. 2ab. A is 7y. B is 6z. So we are having the formula a square plus 2ab plus b square. Therefore, the right hand side will be a plus b whole square. That is 7ya and 6z is b and whole square. Or we have the factors 7y plus 6z. Let us see one more example. Here 63a square minus 112b square. It is having two terms. It means it is the sum of third identity. Then we have to make it whole square form. And we cannot see 63 as a square of a perfect number, proper number. Here also 112 is not square of any number. What we have to do is we can make the factors. 63 is 7 nines are 63 and 112 is 7 16s are. So these two terms can be factorized like this. Here now we have 7 common and we can take it outside, and what is left? 7 nines are 63 a square minus 16 b square. Now friends, we can write these as the squares. How? 9 is the square of 3 a square, writing once, square taken common out at the top. Similarly minus 16 is the square of 4 b square common. These are the terms we have converted into squares. Proper squares are there. So we will write 7. Now this is the a term, this is the b term, and we are having the formula a square minus b square is equal to, once we write a plus b and then a minus b. Means these two terms, first we write them with plus sign, and again the second time we write them as minus sign. So these are the required factors of given question using identity 3. Sometimes we have a type of question where a square is there but no b square is there. So friends, it is another type of factorization, and the identity for this type of sums will be x square plus a plus b x plus ab. Now this is the another type, which is equal to x plus a into x plus b. Let us see how we will use this formula or identity for solving the sums where b square is not there. What we have to do is the term with x, the coefficient of x, we have to split it in the terms, two terms a and b, such that their sum is the middle term, coefficient of x, and the product of these two terms is the constant term. Let us see how. Again, back to our question. This was the question. We have to write 6 as the product of two terms. The factors of 6 are 1 into 6, 2 into 3, that's it. Here, the sum of these can be AB, A and B for our factors. When we add these, it gives 7, and addition of these gives 5. It means these are the factors we require. We will write x square plus 2 plus 3. In place of 5 we can write it 2 plus 3, and x is there, and 6 can be written in the form of multiplication, 2 into 3. Now we can compare the question with the left hand side of identity, and we are having the right side as in the form of brackets, x plus a means first term and x plus b the 3. So we are converting the given question in the bracket form, means factors are formed. Let us see one more example of this kind. The question is z square minus 4z minus 12. First of all, it is having three terms. The formula can be first, second or fourth. But because it is not having square term as constant, so first and second formulas are rejected and fourth is applicable. Now we have to apply this formula over here. We see the factors of 12. 12 can be written as 1 into 12, 2 into 6, 3 into 4. These are the factors of 12. But from these all factors, we choose those whose addition or subtraction will give us the middle term, that is 4. Adding these give you 13, subtracting 11. Adding these give us 8 and subtraction give us 4. It is here. Let us check this one also. Addition is 7 and subtraction is 1. So we are having 2 and 6 as the factors of this middle term or this question. But we have minus 4. So the 6 should have minus in front of it, means minus 6 plus 2 will give us minus 4, and these are our A and B. We write the sum in the form of left hand side, that is z square. We put plus and then A and B, minus 6 plus 2, and then it is z, the variable, and the last term is addition sign because of the formula, and in product we write A and B, that is minus 6 and 2. Let us check. It is x square like z square. A plus B means minus 6 plus 2. A into B is minus 6 into 2. It is all correct. So our formula has been converted into this equation, and the final answer is z minus 6, z plus 2. So friends, we learned factorization using identities. Please take the screenshot of this page and try to do the similar sums from your course book. That's all for today. If you have any queries, you can contact to us by writing in our comment box. Subscribe our channel and press the bell button also. That will give you the notification of our latest videos. Share the video with your friends. Work hard and take care. Bye bye.